So my name is Muhammad Sharafuddin Shahrum and my seat number is 190411. So today we will present about the capacity planning and development. So firstly I will go to the introduction. Okay, so what is capacity? Capacity is the ability to achieve, store or produce something, and also the ability of a given system to produce output within a specific time period is according to the organization. And next, capacity planning. So capacity planning is the process of determining the production capacity needed by an organization to meet changing demands for its products, and also a long-term decision that establish a firm's overall level of resources. Okay, next, production planning. Production planning is to fix the production goals and to estimate the resources which are required to achieve this goal. And the objective an organization do the production planning is to make sure that the effective utilization of the resources and to estimate the resources and to ensure the optimum inventory, to minimize the wastage of raw materials and to reduce the production cost. And next, and in capacity planning, we can divide into 3 categories, which is design capacity, effective capacity, and actual capacity. So design capacity is the output that an operation can produce continuously at maximum rate without stopping for any shift, changeover, maintenance, or any other delays. And next is the effective capacity. So effective capacity is the output that all planned stoppage under the normal working time frame are taken into consideration. This stoppage may include shift changeover, lunch break, setup times, and many other operational factors. And the third one, actual capacity, is the actual capacity contain unplanned losses as well as planned ones. This could include poor overhead, absenteeism, or new staff training, for example. So that's all from me.
Hi, my name is Noor Ikram Azmi and my metric number is 191039, and I'm going to explain about the problem statement of the case study given, which is it's a company which is from a Putra production company that has a problem of capacity planning where the product is bearing. So basically the product that the current production design capacity that they produce every day is 80, but the actual that they have production daily they have is 64 products per day. So there are problems that happens in between there. So as a manager, we have to we have given factors which is the quality problem, absenteeism, and scheduling balancing to determine to increase the capacity of the production. So for further explanation, my friend will explain on the next slide. Thank you.
Alright, my name is Muhammad Luqman Hakim bin Samanudi. My metric number is 188970. So my friend has said the case study before. So our team have come up with we are going to do scheduling and balancing. We will recommend it. Why? Because the reason is we must improve its effectiveness capacity, which is the maximum capacity of the company can produce given its product mix, scheduling, difficult, and others. So we know that company the company cannot give output as much as 80 but only 64. So we believe that scheduling and balancing will improve the company output. So how this will be done, the manager could schedule and repair and balance with the number of the workers to accommodation as a company. As I said, the manager could schedule and repair and balance, can schedule the production and balance the number of workers to accommodation so that we can give the maximum output, which is 80. And why I say is we choose scheduling and balancing instead of absentee and also quality issue. This is because even though there is no quality issue and absentee issue, but the production will be less if there is no good scheduling and balancing. That is for the first case study. So next.
Okay, so for the second case study, we are taking this, problem that happened in Indonesia, where the price of onions is increasing dramatically due to the product output is lower than customer demand during the Ramadan. So customers are very unpleasant with the high price of the onion. This kind of case also happened in Malaysia, where price of the price for the so what should be done in order to avoid the same accident in the future. So this kind of problem can happen in our country. So my friend Lokman will give you the answers for the case.
Alright, for the case study number 2, our team has come up with some recommendation. So first of all, we must learn some forecast. This is so we can estimate how much capacity in the future demands, especially during festival or during an events. Like the case 2, there are lack of output for the onion for an event which is Ramadan months. And also, like the previous one, we can also do schedule and balancing, because we can know how much we can schedule how much we want to produce, and we can also balance it for the workers, so it will be easier to come up with the output that we want for each month. From the case study, they are increasing the price. This is the right thing to do when the demand is high and the supply is low. But we must understand the customer problem. So in this condition, we can increase the price, but not too high, because it will make the customer very mad. So the solution we come up for, we can give an optimum quantity for the during event. So